Okay, so today's remedy is for people who all have prostate issues. You have enlarged prostate cancer, this, you know, and you have an history of this in your family. Please, men should always take this. It's very important. So what you need banana flour. Don't worry, I'll put the pictures. You need some onions, some garlic, little ginger, and water. So you wash and you peel and you boil all the items I've listed: the banana flour, the onions, you need to get lots of garlic. I already mentioned that, and little ginger and water. Lots of garlic, little ginger, and water. So you wash and peel all the items I've mentioned. And then you sieve out the juice from this mixture into a keg, and you refrigerate. You can drink this as a glass cup first in the morning, a glass cup of this. Then you need to take this at least for every week of the month. Just take it for a month. Take it for at least for a week. Sorry, for a week. You need to take it for a week, not every week. You take it for a week. So in January you take it for a week. In February you take it for a week. In March you take it for the week, like that. You can always make it fresh. So again, I will go again. You need banana flour, you need some onions, you need garlic, you need little ginger and water. You wash, peel, and boil all the things I've mentioned. You boil everything, then you sieve out the juice of this mixture into a keg and refrigerate. You drink a glass of this mixture first in the morning. You take this at least for a week every month. So to help prostate health for men, ensure that you regularly take zinc supplements. You eat lots of fruit, especially pawpaw, watermelon, guava, carrots, and bell peppers. You drink green tea, limit red meat, exercise properly. This will help, and maintain a general healthy lifestyle. You'll be fine. All right, guys, I see you in the next video. If you have serious prostate issues, already you need help, herbal help, you can reach me on 080-683-544-55. I'm always here available for you. Bye.